Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to cut a pineapple. So first thing you want to do is cut the top off. And then go ahead and cut the bottom off. And then split it in half. And then go ahead and split it in half again. So basically we're going to cut it into quarters. And then you want to cut the core out. It's in the middle piece, so go ahead and slice it on both sides like this. You can't really eat this part, it's kind of hard and yeah, it doesn't really work, so cutting it out. And then go ahead and slice down the middle here of this quarter, but don't cut all the way through the skin, just down to the skin. And the reason why we want to do that is because this piece here, when we start cutting the actual pieces you're going to eat, you don't have to do it twice, just once, because the skin, the whole quarter is still together. Then at this point, then you can cut it into two pieces. And the reason why I do this is because that way I feel like you get more fruit when you saw through the bottom here, rather than having the two pieces still stuck together, because it creates like a V if they're still stuck together and you're going to miss some of the fruit. So go ahead and saw through each one of these once at a time. You'll do it, a couple more times, and that's it. So I hope this helped you.